Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another small, well, that's kind of banged up, but that's kind of cute the way it came. See if we can fix it. Small AliExpress haul. There you go. It's a little plastic jar. It's really kind of cute how to display them, too. Full of these cute little, these are really cute for like Blythe dolls. Clips for hair clips, little hair clips in the shape of a flower. Actually, these are good for even your 18 and 24-inch dolls. Very cute. Okay.
Kind of Eastery,
But,
pastel-y
yeah,
colored too.
Yeah, but I do want to put that lid back on. I got
Keep the freshness
two. Yeah, that's it.
Expose the air out at least.
I got two pink t-shirts with Velcro up the back that are good for either smart dolls or 18-inch dolls. I have both. These are really cute for Winterfest space. If I can grab hold of that open. Well, shoot. Which side is that on? Oh, there we go, stupid. There we go. These are cute. These are little, these are cute for AG too, because it's the logo, American Girl logo. Put it in the hair and push, little clip. Just cute, variety of colors. And, I play this game where I chase snakes. Joni, does this look like something that would be good for our upcoming collab? And then I got a stylus because I play this game where I untangle snakes on Darren's pad, and my pokey thing is too fat. Well, where's the, oh, no.
That's too big.
It's, look how loose. That'll be all over, knocking all the snakes. Well, it was only,
Fail.
yeah, that was a big fail, and I was looking forward to it. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Okay, I want to be careful, because I might cut something if I'm not careful. This is, this is also for that same collab with Joni.
Rose-colored glasses.
Yep. And that's coming up, I think it's March. Could be February, but I think it's March. Isn't that cute?
Very.
Oh, Janis Joplin. Okay, so we got that. And what's in here? Let's take a look. Another bag. Why would they do that? Put it in something smaller and more likely to cut. Okay. Nothing like saving the environment with that extra packaging. Oh, cute. Okay, this is the same thing with clear lenses. That is for that same collab. We're going to have fun with that one Joni and I are doing with Blythe dolls. All right, let's open this. See what I did get. Maybe. There you go. Oh! I just opened a dark purple coat, and I got another. I have a scene I want to set up with my American Girl dolls, and they need coats. Oh, that's really pretty. Can you see how pretty that shines? Oh, I like that, don't you? You like that one?
I do.
They weren't expensive. They were less than $5. Can't make it for that. Can't buy the fabrics.
Can't find the
Can't
fabric.
find the fabrics. Yeah, that's really an issue. That is really an issue. All right, come on. All right, here we go. Oh, you know who that's for?
I do not know.
Boo.
Oh,
My little 12-inch silicone. My little 12-inch silicone baby doll. This is going to be so cute. Oh, look at the little ducky. Oh, that is cute. Oh, it doesn't open though, huh?
oh.
Well, it'll work, I think. She's bald-headed. And little bitty pants now, but whether those fit her or not, I don't know. This was for a Baby Alive is what it was actually for, so I think it'll work. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. These are so cute. Oh, 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 oh.